got zero friends.
So welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. Please hit that subscribe button. So today we have a colorful butterfly locks bob. Great styling for the summer, great protective style for the summer. So we're going to part our hair in 4 sections. Each section, we are going to create box braids. So we're going to make sure that the braid is not taut because we actually have to crochet it. So we're going to braid maybe 1/4 down the hair shaft, and then the rest we are going to twist for less manipulation on our hair. So if your hair is long like mine and you want to make the bob style and you need to make your hair shorter, what you're going to do is take the end of the braid and you're going to crochet it at the top of the braid to make your hair shorter. This will ensure that you're not cutting your real hair or your hair is going to be too long for the bob style. So I'm going to show it one more time. So we're going to part the hair and make a box braid. From that box braid, we're going to braid the hair, not taut because we need it to be loose in order to crochet the hair in. So we're going to braid it like 1/4 down the hair shaft, and then we're going to twist it because twisting is less manipulation on your hair and it's easier takedown when you twist it. So after you twist your real hair, you're going to take the end of that twist and crochet it into the beginning of the box braid to make your hair shorter. Now, you don't have to do this step if your hair is already short and can accommodate the butter locks bob style. So this is how my hair looks once I have put the box braid twist in. And I actually kind of like my hair like this. So one day I'm going to try to just style my hair like this without additional extensions. So we have 2 packs of the pre-fluff perfect for twist locks and crochet by Free Tress. These are the extra long 28 inches. I could not find the 16 inches, which is what I prefer because I am going to have butterfly locks in a bob. So I'm just going to cut these in half. I bought it in 2 packs. I bought 1 pack in color 2, and I plan on putting number T30 at the front because I want a little bit of color because it is summertime. So we have the last 2 remaining. I used the entire 2 packs of the 22 inches by cutting it in half. For the front, I am leaving it in its whole state because I have enough here remaining. And so this is how it looks, how long it is. And what I love about it is that it is already it's already pre-separated. And I love that it is pre-separated and it has this ringlet to start the crochet processing. It's easy for me to hook my crochet needle and just scoop it through my hair. So if your hair is long like mine, you want to make sure that you put the crochet needle in, take the end of your hair and loop your hair in to make it shorter if you plan on doing a bob. And I like to just make a little slight knot. If you're not doing a bob and your hair is not long, then you can forego this step. So we have this. So we're just going to put the crochet needle back in. And this is why you don't want to braid taut, because you want to have enough wiggle room to push the hair through. So we're going to put the hair through the crochet hook and latch it, close it. And then we're going to slowly pull it through. Okay? Now you want to make sure that the end that you are that the end piece that's going to be doing the twisting is a little longer than the actual side that's just going to be twisted around. So usually I'll just measure it. And it doesn't matter at this point because I'm going to cut it because this is too long. So I'm just going to begin my twist at the root. So I always put my finger, my index finger at the root to hold the twist and then just twist around. Now I don't twist super taut because I don't want my hair to get locked up in there. And these are faux locks, but they are still locks. So you want to be careful of how tight you manipulate it because you don't, especially if you plan on keeping it for a long time, you don't want it to lock with your hair. So we're just going to twist down while still holding the supporting anchor here. Now, how I typically will end this is I'll actually fold the twist, especially if I'm running out of hair. I'll fold the twist because that's what I love about these faux lock or butterfly lock twists is that they don't have to be uniform. They can be messy. And then I'll just go in and continue to twist now that I've folded it. Measure it to see how long I want it. So when I reach to a length that I'm interested in, I'll just fold it again. And it's at your preference because you can actually just keep twisting it to the end and then cut it because this hair tends to not ravel, but I actually like the ends to be fuller. So I kind of bend the hair under and continue to twist. I kind of like my ends to have like these pom-pom knots. I just feel like I call it pom-pom ends, but I just like it. You'll see at the end how it looks. And then you can, to kind of seal it. And that's where we are at. So this is the final results. I love doing my hair like this. It is so versatile, so chic for the summer and playful. So if you are like me and you're a lazy natural and you just don't have time or don't want to do your hair for the summer, this is just a cute style for the summer. Please like, subscribe, and join the tribe. I am Mrs. G from Mrs. G's Living. Peace. We are out. Bye.